Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. My name is Nadula. So today I'm going to show you a few pieces, thrifted pieces. I think most of them, yeah, all of them. So this is a thrift haul. This is a local thrift store that I found recently that I've been going, and they have some really nice pieces. And yeah, so I'm going to show you 5 fall outfits that I'm going to show you that is perfect for the fall. Also show you some stuff that is trending for fall/winter. The first thing that is trending for fall/winter is snakeskin animal print, also tailored cigarette pants. So anything that looks like men's wear is so in for fall. This has like a sheen to it also, and I'm showcasing this fall hair color. This wig was sent to me from Nadula Hair Company. So everything will be in the description bar, so you guys can check that out. Everything is about fall for me right now. This, I would just wear my hair like this, tuck one to the back of my hairs, and the rest, or even tuck both behind my ears. And then my heels are from Forever 21, just basic heels, but this is like a TLC kind of look. Just got out of bed, pajama looking, but still fashionable. And I'll bring this first. Big clutches like this are in for fall/winter. This is a look. I really love this. I don't know where I'm gonna wear this to, but I'll find somewhere to wear it. This outfit, I love. This would be like a dinner date for me. I really love this. Like, I love this blazer. When I saw this, I was like, yes, I gotta get this. And these shoes are from Windsor. This little bracelet watch is, I got this at the store. These are from 21, and my friend got me this in Canada. I don't remember where she got it from, but she just sent it to me. So yeah, I love this outfit. So for this outfit, I would say this is for like colder places, like New York, or where it's cold, Boston, or anywhere around that area. I am currently in Atlanta and it's hot, so I would dress this, but I would wear it just as like this. I wouldn't do anything to it. For this, I would just brush my hair in a low ponytail. So let me do that right now. And I would change my lip probably to a red lip, just because, you know. Low ponytail, yeah, just like that. And I would get some necklace, and this necklace. If I wasn't wearing this necklace, I probably would have without the necklace. So I don't know if you guys can tell, but I'm not doing that. Some watch, and then as I said, if it's like New York and it's, you know, even though it's fall, sometimes really cold, then I had a coat. This would be my outfit. I wanna bring my purse. I'll bring this purse. Or I would bring a full black purse with no gold on it, since there's so much gold going on, but I'm a gold person, so that's why. But I'm just saying, this would be a look. Alright, so this is my favorite one. If anything isn't me, this is me. Like, this is me. I love this. This is one of my favorite. Let's talk about chilling with the girls. Chilling with the girls. Just a girls' night. Having some fun. Perfect. Thrifted, Target, Forever 21, just fab. You can wear it like this, or you can put it like this, but I would probably wear it like this. And that's it. That's my look. I so love this. This is nice. Thrifted. I think I got this from Goodwill. And my shoes are for Forever 21. Can I tell you how much I love this? I feel like I need to go out right now. Like, I need to go out right now. And my hair just fits perfectly with all these outfits. If you haven't seen how I did these balayage, you can check the description bar to see how I did this subtle balayage for fall. Perfect color for fall. And where I got the wig, Nadula Hair Company. It's gonna be in the description bar. So yeah, I don't know, this is so nice. I love this. I love this so much. Well yeah guys, if you guys like videos like this, give this video a thumbs up. Let me know which outfit is your favorite outfit and tell me what you'll be rocking for fall, because I know I'm into the animal print. You know, as usual, I love my neutral colors, my white, my grays, my nude and my black. Now and then I'll add some pop of color. But yeah, so yeah guys, take care and I'll see you in my next one.